Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the style of the vessels in the marine traffic application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the tools section, click on the settings button. And then click on the vessel options button. And then if you scroll down, look for the style section. And as you can see, there are 4 types that you can choose from. And just a reminder that these functions are only available if you have the subscription for this, but within the application you have 3 free trials in the month, so you can just enable this with the free trial as well. So just click on the style that you want to use and then click on this tick button, and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.